It's really important that everyone is aware that their actions and choices that they make day to day can have a huge effect on the environment.
Okay, are we done?
I need this glass bottle. Look at this.
We offer something that you can't do in your classroom. Interactive, hands-on activities that show the children in real life situations how the things that they can do to help the environment and what some of the problems are. Looking a bit like this. Our new pledge project is an initiative to carry on the learning after we've left. Now they all say something you could do differently to help the environment. A promise you could make from today forward to do something different. The children have their photographs taken. It gets put in a lovely little package which goes home to their families. Inside that package is also some information for the families on how they can live more sustainably. Things like having rubbish-free lunches and how to go about doing that, as well as a whole list of different actions that they could take as a family. All the pledges that the children choose from when they're with us are child-centered ones, so they don't need any adult assistance to be able to complete them. We want every child to experience success, and change comes from the children.
Pick up litter off the ground and put it in the correct bin. I chose this pledge because when I'm walking along the street I see heaps of litter, but sometimes I can't be bothered to pick it up, and I've learned that just one piece of litter in the correct bin can make a big difference.